For 48 years, Donovan Masonry has been Ottawa's legendary masonry contractor, setting the standard for excellence since 1978. Marking this incredible milestone of 4 decades in business, we continue to serve homeowners across generations with trusted expertise and pride. As Ottawa's freeze-thaw cycles and harsh winters take their toll, small cracks, crumbling mortar, and spalling bricks can quickly turn into costly structural failures. That is why our signature chimney repair service provides expert restoration, including tuck pointing, repointing, full rebuilding, cap installation, and brick replacement. But our work doesn't stop there. Under one roof, we provide the full house of masonry solutions. From foundation parging, window and door caulking, and custom stone installation to scaffold erection and complete interior and exterior restoration. As business partner Yusuf Kiprot puts it, Donovan Masonry turned a crumbling chimney into a showpiece that is professional, precise, and built to last. Your home deserves the best, so don't let small damage become a big problem. Celebrate 48 years of craftsmanship with Ottawa's most trusted name and call 613-783-1949 or email us for your free quote today.